guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 3 Module 2 Lesson 13 homework. So let's get started. Number 1, round to the nearest 10. Use the number line to model your thinking. So again, like I always say, one of the most important things when doing a math problem is understanding the problem itself. So let's see, what does it mean round to the nearest 10? So when we have a number, what we can do is round it basically to the next 10 or round it down to the 10 lower. So, and we're also using a number line to model our thinking. So let's try number A. We have 43. So they did the number line for us. So first, they find out what two tens is 43 between. So 43 is between 40 and 50. In the middle, they just plot 45, which is the middle. So then they plot 43, which would be around over here. So then that, we would round it to 40. Because since 43 is under 45, and 45 is kind of the middle point, and 43 does not pass that, then we would round it to 40. Let's see, 48, so 48 is between 40 and 50, and 45 would go here. So 48 would be around over here. So that means that we can round it to 50 since it passes 45. And 73, 70, and 80, and 75 would be here. So 73 would be right over here. So 73, we would round it down to 70. And D, 173, 170, the next one would be 180. So here, 175. So 173 would be right around here, which means we can round it back down to 170. And E, 189, so 180 and 190, 185. 189 would be around over here. So we would round this up to 190. And F, 194, so 190. And the next 10 would actually be 200. So 195 is in the middle. So 194 would be just below 195. So then we can round it down to 190. All right, next page. So number 2, round the weight of each item to the nearest 10 grams. Draw number lines to model your thinking. All right, so the first item we have is a cereal bar, 45 grams. So our number line would be here. So 45 is between 40 and 50, and our midpoint would be 45. So 45 is the midpoint. So what do we do if it's not higher than or lower than 45 if it's the same as 45? Well, usually when we're rounding a number and it's in the middle, which is basically 5, then we usually still round up. So in this case, since we have 45, we would usually round up to 50 instead of rounding down to 40. So we can round to 50, so 45 is rounded up to 50. And now we have a loaf of bread. So let's draw our number line. So 673, so this would be 670, and then 680, and in between we would have 675. So 673 would be just below 675. So that means we round it down to 670. 673 to 670. Number 3, the garden club plants rows of carrots in the garden. 1 seed packet weighs 28 grams. Round the total weight of 2 seed packets to the nearest 10 grams. Model your thinking using a number line. Alright, so one thing to note here, it's not asking us to round the weight of 1, but asking us to round the weight of 2. So we know 1 seed packet is 28 grams. So our first thing we should do here is find out how much 2 is. So 28 plus 28, 16. So that'd be 56. So we're not rounding 28 here. Here we're rounding 56. So let's make our number line now. 56 is in between 50 and 60. So 56 would be right above 55, which means that 56, we would round it up to 60. So 60 would be our answer. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps out my channel. See you next time. Bye!